This is Eric Mother with Mother.com with another video discussing the cryptos. This time we're going to be taking a look at Ripple, and we're going to be using the weekly and the monthly chart as I give you a snapshot of where BTC is trading. Again, May 4th, 2021. All right, let's go to the weekly chart for Ripple, and I just want to discuss one concept from an educational standpoint. So a quick video discussing the Ripple monthly and weekly chart. So what we are seeing here is something similar. So right here we can see that Ripple really does need to hold above current levels. In other words, it needs to clear this 1.6 price level, because right now the RSI is turning down, and the RSI is showing RSI 69.1 uniform activity rejection. Generally, from an educational standpoint, that tends to be a reversal area, a reversal signal that could actually take things down significantly lower. In a sense, it would be similar to this period here, where we had again RSI 69.1 being rejected with uniform activity, which led to this drop here. That's why I keep saying it needs to hold and break out, because the RSI needs to stay above 69.1 if there's going to be joy experienced by crypto bulls. Something else also to consider is the formation that we are seeing here. Of course, it's early on in the week. Today is a Tuesday, so this week is still very young. We can see that this double top of the MACD, if it remains, if it holds, if the MACD goes on to roll over below recent MACD lows, confirmation of a double top of this MACD is going to be another sign that there's a big drop pending for Ripple, and by extension the cryptos. Now we see something also similar on the monthly chart. Now keep in mind, now that we are seeing this down month, what I'm saying here is Ripple needs to hold this level, and eventually at some point it needs to break out, clear the recent monthly closing high, so it can advance higher. Otherwise, on the monthly also, the RSI is showing RSI 69.1 uniform activity rejection. That uniform activity is the key, and because of this is starting to look like there's a possibility that we are seeing a major setup for a move lower. The last time we saw uniform activity above 69.1 and back below it is here for this top. And again, this period right here, if we take the area around 69.1, what happened is we went above it and back below it with uniform action. And of course, if you are sensitive to this concept, that in itself, this period here was a sell signal. So coming off the highs of early 2018 and down. Remember, from this top to the lows right there, you're talking about a 90+% drop. From here to the lows there, plus. So those who don't think that Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, all of these instruments cannot drop by 60%, 50%, 80%, you better think again, because it is a possibility. At any rate, I would watch the RSI on the monthly. The more that RSI 69.1 continues, the more we are setting the stage for substantial push down. Now let me use the uniformity concept in also explaining that there's a possibility based on the following line. So figure out where we broke down in early 2018. We can see that clearly we broke down on the RSI right there, corresponding with this down move. All right, so we understand that. Okay, good. Now take that break, and now we're going to use my concept, which I call the uniformity concept. I'm going to extend this breakpoint right here. Now, of course, this breakpoint we know was significant in ending the bull run in early 2018. So extend this is what I call a uniformity line. And you'll notice that Ripple is aware of this line. It's come to this level and seems to be summarily rejected. So until it can clear this level in price and stay above the blue line, we have to start believing and suspecting that the setup here with the rejection right there on the blue line is suggesting that things are starting to coil significantly down. This is Eric Mother with Mother.com. Love light, light love. Namaste.